Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Gizmo Guru. Today, we'll be doing a review on the Netgear Powerline series. And I'll go over what they are, what they do, and if I think you should buy it. So without further ado, let's review it. So in front of me, I have two Netgear Powerline adapters. Now, what these things do are, so you have two of them, and so you just plug it in on one side where you want Ethernet or internet, and then where you have internet on your other side, so your router. And yeah, this basically turns your home's AC power system into basically conduit for Ethernet, which is fantastic. And the way it does it is it actually uses a high frequency signal. Now, few things about this for it to work properly. So this plug right here and that one, they have to go straight into the wall. You can't use a power strip surge protector. And the reason for that is those devices contain something called metal oxide varistors, and what they do is they interrupt that signal and they prevent the Ethernet or internet from working. So that's something you definitely want to avoid. And then one other thing about these adapters, if you have a really large home that, let's say, has two electrical panels, that's also not ideal because these only work with one. So if you have a house that has two electrical panels, this may not be the product for you. But overall, these things are phenomenal. I've been using these since 2012. Not this exact set, but I've had a few of these, and they are wonderful. They do at first kind of sound like a snake oil because it sounds too good to be true, and they are truly plug and play. You plug them in and they just work. So if all those conditions are met that I just mentioned, these are perfect. Now, as far as do I think you should buy these? Absolutely. If you need something that really gets the job done, something that's easy, something that'll just work plug and play easy, you cannot go wrong with these. And especially if you have an area that has like problems with Wi-Fi or you just want something hardwired, this is a great solution. So I would absolutely recommend picking up a set of these if you have a situation that has those conditions.